This week on Motorcar History, we take a look at the Ford Zodiac Mk II. The Ford Zodiac Mk II produced from 1956 up until 1962. And from April 1956, the Consul, Zephyr and Zodiac Mk II models were marketed. And these three models were known as the Three Graces. The Mk II model, internal type designation was 206E, underwent a major restyling. Zephyr and Zodiac now got a new look together with the Consul. Now the range consisted of a 4-door saloon, a 5-door estate conversion and a 2-door convertible. These three cars sold well and were marketed up until 1962. The Mk II Zephyr and the Zodiac shared the same body. The Consul had shorter bumpers and a lower grille. The Mk II Zodiac was slightly altered in appearance from the Zephyr, with a more elaborate styling at the front with a different grille. Also changes at the rear, often with a two-tone paint scheme. Chrome wheel trims and white wheel tyres were noticeable, as were the gold-plated badges. The Zodiac and Zephyr were also offered with two bodies, which were called High Line and Low Line, also with different instrument panel designs. There was also an estate version built by Abbots of Farnham. Although the Ford Zephyr had never been assembled in the United States, a small number of units were imported to North America. In Australia, the Consul, Zephyr and Zodiac Mk II were built at Ford's Geelong plant. The inline 6-cylinder engines now had a larger displacement, increased to 2.5 litres. The power was also increased to 86 horsepower. In addition to the 3-speed manual gearbox from 1956, it was also possible to install a Borg-Warner DG automatic gearbox fitted with overdrive. 4-wheel drum brakes were initially installed, but disc brakes became optional, first in 1960, and then by 1961 these became standard. Some dealers also fitted a brake booster system. The Zephyr and Zodiac Mk II together produced 294,506 sedans, 6,911 convertibles. Thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe. We have plenty more to come soon.